Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for Class 1, Subject Maths, Chapter number 6, Addition and Subtraction up to 20. And this is second session on this chapter. Today we will solve the questions in exercise 6A of your textbook. Question number 1 or A here is 14 plus 5. That means we have to add 5 to 14. For adding, the numbers are given one below the other, appropriate to their place values. 4 and 5 are in ones place and 1 here is in tens place. While adding, we always start from ones place. So we should add 4 and 5 first. So for adding, you may use your fingers or you may draw standing lines. So here I will explain by drawing lines. So first here the number is 4. So I will draw 4 standing lines here just beside this number. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second number here is 5. So I will draw 5 standing lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for adding these two numbers, I will count all these lines I have drawn now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is, we have 9 lines all together here. So I will write 9 here just below the ones place. O here stands for ones and T stands for tens. So we will write 9 in ones place. Coming to tens place, we have 1 here and there is no number here to be added with 1. That can be considered as 0. So when we add 1 and 0, what do we get? We get 1. So we should write 1 here. So I will write 1 here in tens column. Therefore, on adding 5 to 14, we get 19. Next, let us move to the second question, B. Here we have to add 10 and 6. So starting from ones place, we should add 0 and 6. We know that when 0 is added to any number, we get the same number. So I will write 6 here in ones place. And here we have 1. Again, there is no number here. That means 0. Therefore, 1 plus 0 is again 1 here. So I will write 1 here. So 10 plus 6 is 16. Coming to C, we have 11 plus 1. First, let us add the digits in ones place. That is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. I will write 2 here. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So we get 12. That is 11 plus 1 is 12. Coming to D, we have 14 plus 4. Let us add the digits in ones place first. So 4 plus 4, we have to add 4 and 4. So as I said, you may use fingers. Otherwise, you may draw lines for counting. So I will draw lines above here. I don't have space just beside here. So I will draw the lines just above this question here. So I will draw 4 lines first, 4 standing lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also the second number is also 4 here. I will draw 4 more lines just below those 4 lines. So here I will draw 4 more lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us count all these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we should write 8 here. That is, on adding 4 to 4, we get 8. Here 1 plus 0 is 1. We should write 1 here. So 18. That is 14 plus 4 is 18. Now let us move to the next questions. E. Here we have 11 plus 5. First we should add 5 to 1. Or let us add 1 and 5 in one's place. So 1 plus 5 is 6. On adding 1 to any number we get the next number. Therefore it will be 6. Here we have 1 and there is no number which is 0. So we can add 1 and 0 and we will get 1 here. 1 plus 0 is 1. Coming to F, we have 15 plus 3. First we will add 5 and 3. So when we add 5 and 3, what do you get? Remember 5 and stretch your 3 fingers, maybe in your left hand, and continue counting from 5 onwards. That is 6, 7 and 8. When you add 5 and 3, you get 8 as a sum. So you will write 8 here. And then here in tens place we have 1 and 0. No number represents 0. Therefore 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1. So we get 18. That is 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. Coming to G, we have 12 plus 6. First we add the digits at ones place. That is 2 plus 6. So when you add 2 and 6, you will get 8. Verify this either using your fingers or by drawing standing lines as I shown earlier. And in tens place we have 1 and 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Therefore 12 plus 6 is 18. Coming to H, we have 13 plus 4. We add 3 and 4 first. So 3 plus 4 is 7. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So 13 plus 4 is 17. Coming to question I, we have 14 plus 1. We add the digits at ones place first. 4 plus 1 is 5. So I write 5 here. And 1 plus no number gives us 1. So 14 plus 1 is 15. J, 17 plus 2. We add 7 and 2 first. 7 plus 2 is 9. 7, 8, 9. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Therefore 17 plus 2 is 19. K, 10 plus 8. Adding 0 to 8 we get 8. So I write 8 here. And 1 plus 0 is 1. Therefore 10 plus 8 is 18. L, 16 plus 3. Adding these digits first. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 1 plus 0 is 1. Therefore 16 plus 3 is 19. This is how you can add a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number as I have shown in these cases. So you have to understand the addition of single digit number and 2-digit numbers first, and then you may write the answers in your textbook. Here we have few story sums. Let us solve these one by one. Question number 2. There are 14 blue fish and 2 orange fish in a lake. How many blue and orange fishes together are there in the lake? So in a lake andre ಕೆರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೊಳ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವೋ ಅದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಲೇಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆರೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೀರು ನಿಂತಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗ, ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನೀರು ನಿಂತಿರೋವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬಣ್ಣದ ಮೀನುಗಳು ಇವೆ. ಸೊ 14 ಬ್ಲೂ ಫಿಶಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ 2 ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಫಿಶಸ್ ಇದೆ ಆ ಲೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆ ಲೇಕಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಟ್ಟು ಫಿಶಸ್ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್, total number of fishes, we have to add these 2 numbers. First let us write down these numbers in the boxes provided here, and then we will add the numbers to find the total number of fishes in that lake. First I will write 14 in these boxes. In 14, 1 is in tens place, so I will write 1 here, and 4 is in ones place, so I write 4 here. And 2 is a single digit number. We know that single digit number always be in the ones place. So I will write 2 here in ones place. Now we have to add these 2 numbers to get the total number of fishes. So we add starting from ones place, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So I write 6 in ones place, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So I write 1 here. So therefore, there are 16 fishes altogether in that lake. Let us move to the next question. Question number 3. Aditi has a packet of 10 cookies. Her father gives her a pack of 6 cookies. How many cookies does she have now? So cookies ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ, ನಾವೇನು ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವೋ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನೇ ಕುಕ್ಕೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಿತಿ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿದೆ, ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್, ಒಂದು ಕುಕ್ಕೀಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಕುಕ್ಕೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಅವ್ರ ಫಾದರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅನದರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕುಕ್ಕೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಕುಕ್ಕೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಅದಿತಿ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಟ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕುಕ್ಕೀಸ್ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ 2 numbers we can find 10 and 6. So we will write down the numbers appropriately in this box. That is 1, 0, 10 and 6. So we will add the digits in ones place first. 0 plus 6 is 6. 1 plus 0 is 1. Therefore, the answer is 16. So there Aditi is having 6 cookies with her now. Sorry, 16 cookies. After her father gives her a packet of 6 cookies, now she has 16 cookies with her. Question number 4. There are 13 girls and 5 boys in a classroom. How many students are there in the classroom in all? So in a classroom there are 13 girls and 5 boys. So we need to find the total number of students in that classroom. So we will write down the numbers appropriately in the boxes given here. There are 13 girls. I will write 13 here in the boxes. And there are 5 boys. I will write 5 in ones place. Now we have to add to find the total number of students in that class. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 1 plus 0 is 1. Therefore, there are 18 students in that classroom. Coming to question number 5. Raj had 7 pens. His father gave him 2 more pens. How many pens does Raj have now? So we have to add these numbers to get the answer. So Raj had 7 pens. So while writing 7, we should never write 7 in tens place, because we know that the single digit numbers will always be in ones place. So we should write 7 and 2 only in ones column, not in tens column. Remember that, it's very important. So we should write 7 in ones place here. 7 and also 2 here. So when we add these 2 numbers, 7 plus 2, we get 9. Therefore, the number of pens Raj has now is equal to 9. So like this, we can solve these story sums. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to add two-digit numbers with one-digit number. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye children.